Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome to the first video of this channel, and today I'm going to show you some ways to boost your PC performance in Windows 10. Let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is disable some startup programs. What does that mean? That some programs start without Windows and this slows down our computer. So let's fix this. We go in our taskbar, right click it, and then select Task Manager. Then you wanna go on the startup, and as you can see here, you may have less or more programs. This doesn't matter. Let's say that this is enabled, but if you want to disable it and it's slowing down your computer, of course you can go and hit disable right here after you right click the program that you want to disable. Now let's move on to the next option. The next option is to optimize your drives. We wanna go here and search optimize. It's in, and then you may wanna optimize your C drive that has on the Windows, or your D drive if you have a second drive. I'm going to optimize my Windows drive because this is where I have the OS. It's done. It shows here the time, as you can see, and the date. And now, as you can see here, I have an SSD. This is why it was too fast. It may be that fast on your computer too if you have an SSD, but in the case you are optimizing an HDD, it may take longer, so don't be disappointed or something. It's still going to work. Next, we're going to delete our temporary files. Do this, we press Windows and R key on our keyboard, and we want to type in prefets. We hit enter button, you just click continue, and you see all these things, everything. It's crazy, right? How many temporary files? You may have more or less again, so you go here, delete, you press skip. You may have some files that cannot be deleted. Here, this file is a PF file and it can be deleted, but when you select them all, it may not select some PF files. Just leave them. Other Windows do this for a specific reason that we cannot analyze in this video, but if you want a separate video for this, write me down in the comments. And yes, when you have deleted all, you also go to recycle bin, empty recycle bin, yes, and boom. Now there are two other folders with temporary files, which we can find in typing temp in the run command. And here you may have more or less. Again, it doesn't matter. Select them all and delete. If you see here, try again, you just skip the file, and you see this, that 5 items were recycled. And then the last file that we want to delete the temporary files from, we hit again our keyboard Windows plus R key, and we want to type in percent temp percent. Temp means temporary. And here we go again, right here we press delete. You see, deleted what it should delete. Now we go in the recycle bin and empty here. Now you may see an error like this. It's a DLL file. It's on your C drive, probably because the C drive has the Windows. But in the case that you want to delete it, you just hit continue. Some files of this will get recreated when you restart your computer or when you shut down your computer. So basically, you can do this task once a week. Then the next thing that we wanna do is change the personalization settings in our desktop. We go settings, we go the system, we go about, we go advanced system settings, and here you see this. We go here performance settings. I have set mine in custom, but if you want the best performance, you go into the adjust for best performance option, and you can also go custom and disable the ones that you want. I'm going to leave it let Windows. I'm going to choose the first option because I don't have a problem. But for you guys that have a slow PC, the third option is for you. And now we'll close everything. And let's move on to the final step. You wanna type in here power plan, and you are going here that says choose a power plan, and we are on the control panel, and here this it's a part that some of you may get a little bit stressed because your computer may get more power. It may change. You think that the voltages are going to be off, but do not worry. This is very safe. It's something that Microsoft has created. And let's see. Here, if you have a processor from AMD, you're going to have this plan, but I have to say that this plan is only for the AMD processors, the newest ones. For I think that Ryzen 3 and goes on Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and Ryzen 9, as well as for the Ryzen Threadrippers. You can choose here because it's the balanced power plan customized for AMD processors for the Ryzen ones. And actually, this is from an app I had, but do not worry, leave it. And so you may have it. Your selected plant will be balanced, but you wanna go and click here high performance, and your computer is on the high performance. Also, I have a little trick for you. This can also be, we can also go into the ultimate performance. But to do this, we are going to use the command prompt. So basically, to gain access to the ultimate performance on our Windows 10, we right click the start button, we go Windows PowerShell admin because we want to run it as administrators, and then we write this. I'm going to have it for you in the description of this video, and we hit enter. And then when you do this, we're going to see something that says ultimate performance, and it's unlocked. Now we close this, and if you wanna take it, you type in again power plan, and as you can see, it's unlocked. It says provides ultimate performance on higher end PCs. This is for you that have a PC a with a GeForce RTX 2060, or for you that have a strong processor. It's not for the PC owners that have a PC with low budget things. Please, if you have a low budget PC, do not enable this option. This option is recommended to the ones that have a high budget PC. Oh, and the medium budget PC can do, but not every medium budget PC. So, pause the video. with the ways that you can make your computer faster in Windows 10. I hope you liked it. I hope you find it interesting. If you love this type of videos, tell me in the comments. Consider leaving a like in the video and subscribe. It's free, and you can unsubscribe whenever you can and you want. So, bye for now.